Hello children, exercise 5.1 in complex numbers. First question, express each of the complex number in the form of a plus ib. So first one, 5i into minus 3 by 5 into I. So multiplying this, 5 into minus 3 by 5 I into I, which is equal to 5 will get cancelled, so minus 3 into I square. I square is minus 1, so minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. So we have to write this in the form of a plus ib. We don't have imaginary part, so we can write this as 3 plus I into 0. Here imaginary part is 0, so we are writing this in the form of 3 plus I into 0. But 3 is the real part and I into 0 is imaginary part. Imaginary part is 0. So second one, I power 9 plus I power 19. We have to write this in the form of a plus ib. So I power 9, we can write it as I power 4 whole square. So what is I power 4? I power 4 is 1. So we can write it as 1 square. So I power 9 we are writing as I power 4 power 2. That is 4 into 2, 8. So we have one more I. So I power 8 into I. We know that I power 4 is 1. So 1 square into I. So 1 into I is I. Then we have to write I power 19. We can write I power 19 as I power 4 whole power 4. So 4 into 4, 16. We have I power 16. So 19 minus 16 is 3. So we have I power 3 into I power 4 into 4. So 16 plus 3, I power 19. So I power 4 is 1. So 1 power 4 is 1. Then what is I cube? I cube we already found. I cube we can write it as I square into I. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into I is minus I. So I power 3 is minus I. Here we have 1 square is 1. 1 into I is I. And again 1 into minus I is minus I. So I minus I, which is equal to 0. So we don't have either real part or imaginary part. So we have to write this in the form of a plus ib, real part plus imaginary part. So both are 0. So we write it as 0 plus I into 0. Third one is I power minus 39. So negative power, we have to make it as positive. So 1 by I power 39. So we can multiply and divide by I. So that we will get I by I power 40. So I by I power 4 into 10. So I by I power 4 is 1. So I'll just do it again. I power 4 is I square into I square. So I square is minus 1. I square is minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1. So I by 1 power 10, which is 1. So I power minus 39 is I. We have to write this in the form of a plus ib. So we have 1I. Here real part is 0. So we can write this as real part is 0 plus I into 1 or 0 plus I. Fourth one, 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. We have the addition of two complex numbers. First we have to add these two and then we have to write this in the form of a plus ib. So multiplying this, 3 into 7, 21 plus 3 into I7. So I21 plus I into 7 is I7 plus I into I is I square. So minus 1 minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. Otherwise I can write it as I square 7. I square is minus 1. So I'm writing this as minus 7. So combining the real part is without I. So combining the real part, 21 minus 7. So 21 minus 7 and the imaginary part plus I into 21 plus 7. So which is equal to 14 plus 28I. So 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7, which is 14 plus 28I. Fifth one, 1 minus I minus of minus 1 plus I6. Here also difference of two complex numbers. First we will subtract and then we can write it in the form of A plus IB. So 1 minus I, minus into minus 1 is plus 1, minus into I6 is minus I6. So combining the real part, we get 1 plus 1 is 2 and minus I minus I6. This is minus 1I and minus 6. So minus 7I. So 2 minus 7I. So sixth one, 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I into 5 by 2. So same like fifth and fourth problem. So first we write 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 minus into I 5 by 2. So combining the real part, which is 1 by 5 minus 4 and plus I into 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Here imaginary part is I into 2 by 5 minus I into 5 by 2. So plus 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Right. So taking LCM, we have 1 minus 5 into 4, 20. 20 by 5 plus I into, here the LCM is 10. So into 2, that is 4, minus into 5, so minus 25. So which is equal to minus 19 by 5. So minus 21 by 10. So minus I into 21 by 10. Here the real part is minus 19 by 5 and the imaginary part is 21 by 10. Seventh question, 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus of minus 4 by 3 plus I. So 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus into minus plus 4 by 3 minus into plus I minus I. So here the real part is 1 by 3, 4 and 4 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. Here taking LCM into 3 by 3. So plus I into, here the imaginary part is 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus I, that is minus 1I, minus 1. Here when we take LCM, this is 1 by 1. So into 3 into 3. So 1 plus 12 plus 4. So 17 by 3 plus 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 by 3 plus I into 5 by 3. So 17 by 3 plus I into 5 by 3. Eighth one, 1 minus I whole power 4. We have to express this in the form of A plus IB. We can use identity A minus B whole square, which is A square minus 2AB plus B square. We can write this as 1 minus I square whole square. So that we can use the identity A minus B whole square. So which is equal to A square. Here A is 1. So A square minus 2AB. 2 into 1 into I, that is 2I, plus B square. Here I is B. B is I. So I square the whole square. We are using A minus B whole square, the whole square. So I am writing this into this to the power of whole square. So which is equal to 1 minus 2I, I square is minus 1 whole square. So 1 will get cancelled, minus 2I whole square. So minus to the power of 2, that is an even number, it will become plus. So 2 square is 4, and again it is I square. I square is minus 1, so it is minus 4. We have to express this in the form of a plus ib, a complex number. Here we have a real part and the imaginary part is 0. So we can write this as I into 0. So minus 4 plus I into 0. Ninth one, 1 by 3 plus 3i whole cube. We can use the identity a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So otherwise we can use a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. So I am going to use this. So 1 by 3 whole cube. Here a is 1 by 3 and b is 3i plus 3 into a into b. So 1 by 3 into 3i into a plus b. So 1 by 3 plus 3i plus b cube. B cube is 3i whole power 3. So this will become 1 by 3 into 3 into 3. So 27. Here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So plus 3i into 1 by 3 plus 3i into 3i. So 9i square plus 3 cube is 27. 27i cube. So we have 1 by 27. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Plus I plus 9 into I square. I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into plus 9, which is minus 9, plus 27 I cube. I cube is I square into I. So minus 1 into I is minus I. So minus 27 I. So combining the real part, only the numerical part, 1 by 27 minus 9. So here when we take LCM, it is into 27 plus I into 1 minus 27. So which is equal to 1 minus 243 by 27 minus 26i. So which is equal to minus 242 by 27 plus minus 26i. So real part is minus 242 by 27 and the imaginary part is minus 26. So 10th one is similar questions, minus 2 minus 1 by 3i whole cube. You have to use a minus b whole cube identity. You can do yourself. Then we'll go to question number 11. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following complex numbers. Here it's given us z 4 minus 3i. So we have to take z equal to 4 minus 3i and the multiplicative inverse is 1 by z. So or z inverse. So z inverse or 1 by z. So 1 by z we can write this as 1 by 4 minus 3i. So conjugating 4 plus 3i by 4 plus 3i. So 4 plus 1 into 4 plus 3i is 4 plus 3i whole by 4 minus 3i into 4 plus 3i, which is a minus b into a plus b. So using the identity a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. So I am writing this as an identity a square minus b square, that is 4 square minus 3i whole square. So 4 plus 3i by 16. 3 square is 9 and I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into 9 is minus 9, minus into minus plus. So plus 9, which is equal to 4 plus 3i by 25. When we express this in the form of a plus ib, we have to write this as 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. 12th one, let z equal to root 5 plus 3i. So 1 by z is 1 by root 5 plus 3i. The multiplicative inverse is 1 by z. So conjugating root 5 minus 3i. Here it is plus I. We have to conjugate by minus. So root 5 minus 3i by root 5 minus 3i. So 1 into root 5 minus 3i. So using the identity a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 5 whole square minus 3i whole square, which is equal to root 5 minus 3i by root 5 whole square is 5 minus, here it is 3 square is 9, I square is minus 1, so minus 9 into minus, so plus 9. So root 5 minus 3i by 14. So expressing this in the form of a plus ib, root 5 by 14 minus I into 3 by 14. So 13th one, find the multiplicative inverse of minus I. So z is minus I, 1 by z is 1 by minus I. So conjugating I by I, it is I by minus I square, which is equal to I by minus of minus 1, which is plus 1, which is I. So expressing this in the form of a plus ib, we don't have real part, so 0 plus imaginary part is I. So 0 plus I. 14th one, express the following expression in the form of a plus ib. 3 plus I root 5, 3 minus I root 5, whole by root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 minus I root 2. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So using the identity a square minus b square, here a is 3 and b is I root 5. So a square minus b square whole by root 3 plus I root 2 minus into root 3 minus into minus plus I root 2, which is equal to 3 square is 9 minus I square is minus 1, root 5 whole square is 5, whole by root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled, I root 2, I root 2, that is 1 I root 2, 1 I root 2, which is 2 I root 2, which is equal to 9 minus into minus plus, so plus 5 by 2 I root 2. So 14 by 2 into I root 2. Cancelling this, we get 7 by I root 2. We have to rationalize this. So 7 by I root 2 into I root 2 by I root 2. So we get 7 I root 2 by I square 2, which is equal to I into 7 root 2 by minus 2. Here real part is 0. So we can write it as 0 minus I 7 root 2 by 2. Hope you all understood. Thank you, children.